Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate Siri on iPhone. So let's get started. First launch Settings app on your iOS device. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Here you can choose whether to enable Siri by voice with Hey Siri or choose to just push the home button to activate Siri. Just enable Listen for Hey Siri using toggle switch. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Enable Siri. Next screen will be to set up Hey Siri. Tap on Continue and perform on-screen instructions. At the end, you will get a message that Hey Siri is ready. Just tap on Done button. And that's it. Siri is now enabled on your iOS device. You can keep the option press side button for Siri active so that Siri will be activated using voice command as well as using home button. If you want to activate Siri even when the device is locked, then enable the third option as well that says allow Siri when locked. So that was all about how to enable Siri on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.